Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. The recent Kaseya VSA ransomware breach is a prime example of showing how important a disaster response plan is to have in place before a breach occurs. Out of their thousands of clients, only 50 of their customers were breached in the end. CEO Fred Vacola even stated that's 50 too many. But this goes to show, in my opinion, how a quick response and a plan in place previous to a disaster can make a great difference. If you do not already have a disaster response plan in place, I would highly recommend that you put it on your priority list. If you need assistance on how to set one up or need ideas on what it would entail, please give us a call today. For more tips and IT advice, please head to our website and check out our blogs section. Hope you have a good day.